the magic of repurposing clothes. Welcome to a world where creativity meets sustainability. Today we're diving into the magical art of repurposing old clothes into stunning and unique home decor. Have you ever wondered what to do with those worn-out jeans or that vintage dress you never wear? Stick around and we'll show you how to transform them into pieces that spark joy and make your home truly one of a kind. When you think about old clothes, you might see them as just outdated or unusable. But what if I told you that each piece of fabric has the potential to become something extraordinary? In this video, we'll take you on an inspiring journey through the world of upcycling, showing you how to turn discarded garments into treasures that enhance your living space. Not only is this practice incredibly fun, but it's also a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Imagine being part of a movement that reduces waste, preserves resources, and celebrates creativity. So whether you're a crafting enthusiast or a complete beginner, there's something here for everyone. Why repurposing is awesome. Let's start with why repurposing is such an amazing practice. Did you know that the average person throws away around 80 pounds of clothing each year? Most of these end up in landfills, where they can take decades or even centuries to decompose. By giving old clothes a new purpose, we're not just decluttering our homes, but also helping the planet. And it doesn't stop there. Upcycling clothes allows you to add character and personality to your home. Think about it. When you walk into a room, wouldn't it be amazing to see decor that's not just beautiful, but also meaningful? Each piece tells a story, whether it's the memory of a favorite t-shirt or the charm of a vintage dress turned into art. And let's not forget the financial benefits. Home decor can be expensive, but with repurposing, you're using materials you already have. That means you can save money while creating unique, high-quality pieces. It's a win-win situation, repurposing ideas for everyday items. Now that we understand why repurposing is so valuable, let's dive into some ideas to get your creativity flowing. First up, let's talk about throw pillows. Have you ever thought about using old t-shirts to create stylish and comfortable throw pillows? Here's how it works. Start by selecting t-shirts with colors or designs you love. Maybe it's a shirt from a concert you attended, or a graphic print that caught your eye years ago. Cut the fabric to the size of your pillow form, sew the edges together, and stuff it with padding or even scraps from other projects. The result? A one-of-a-kind pillow that adds a pop of personality to your couch or bed. Another fantastic idea is turning a vintage dress into a wall tapestry. This is perfect for those pieces you can't bear to part with but no longer wear. Simply stretch the fabric over a wooden frame or use a decorative rod to hang it on the wall. It's an elegant way to preserve memories and create a unique focal point in any room. Creative repurposing techniques ready. To take things up a notch, let's explore more advanced techniques. Have you ever considered making a DIY headboard out of old jeans? Here's what you'll need: several pairs of jeans, a wooden frame, and some basic tools. Start by cutting the denim into squares or strips. I'd arrange them in a patchwork pattern and secure them to the frame with adhesive or staples. The result is a chic, textured headboard that combines durability with style. For those who love adding a personal touch, embroidery and fabric painting are excellent options. Embroidery lets you create intricate patterns or designs, while fabric painting allows you to experiment with colors and motifs. These techniques can be applied to anything, from pillowcases to wall hangings, making your creations truly unique. And let's not forget functional items. Fabric scraps can be woven or stitched together to create storage baskets, tote bags, or even rugs. These projects not only help organize your space, but also bring a handmade, artisanal vibe to your home. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned today. Repurposing clothes is more than just a trend. It's a way to live sustainably, express creativity, and save money.